Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Damos Creations and more. Today I will be sharing with you a swap that will be outgoing from me to my swap partner. Excuse me. It is a journal page swap. For this swap, we had to take a regular sheet of paper, fold it in half. We had to include 2 circle notebooks, 2 paper clips, and include tags, ephemera, and leave space for journaling. So I decided to use this Grace Pocket by That's Just Penny. It's a kit that she has, but I used it for my page swap. And before I go and start taking stuff apart, I wanted to show you what it's gonna look like. So this is meant to go inside of a journal, and then you flip it, and then you flip it again. So now I could take you into the tour, if you will. Okay, so like I said, I used That's Just Penny's kit. I will link it in the description box. And I added some, not stickles, but this glue. It's called glitter glue. I got it at Michael's. It's one of my favorite things to use, because what you do is you put it over areas that you just want a little bit of shimmer, and you get a very nice effect. There you go, right here on the flowers. And I used it throughout. So what I did was I cut out I cut the image out of the page that I printed out, and I used it as my corner tuck spot right here. I think it came out so cute. I really love this image of the little girl. The paper is aged paper that somebody gifted me, and what I did was I took a stamp, a script stamp, and I stamped here and there. Something that I learned from Miss Artie Mays in one of her videos. She did that, and I really liked the effect. In the swap, we had to make 2 circle notebooks, and this is what I did. Put some cheesecloth behind the little image, and I also put some of that glitter glue, put that word and some seam binding. That's a brad. I chose to sew around it, but it's a notebook, so it's a hidden place where you can journal. And we had to make 2 as part of our swap. And this is another one. And this was part of a little piece of ephemera that came with a kit, and I just I used little bits and pieces. This came with a kit as well, and all I did was I put some more of that glitter glue. You see it right there in the flowers. It just gives you a nice little subtle flash right there, and I sewed all the way around, and I backed it on some of this paper right here. This was part of the kit. Cut it out. Okay, put it back here. This was a printable that I got off of the internet. I thought it went really well with this. I think it matched it perfectly, so I included this as part of the kit. And so I tried to stagger it here and there so that you get a little bit of the... This I kind of just pry it open, put it here, and then I'm going to put it here. So then you open it up. Oops. I did some more of that stamping on the page. Just cut from the kit. Just so it is this. Now another part of the swap we had to do 2 paper clips. And this was part of the ephemera, and all I did was wrap it around, put some seam binding and a little bit of eyelash trim. Left the bottom where the person, if the person wants to, can hang a charm. I had this one over here. And this is another paper clip because we had to make 2. Put a bow on top, folded the paper over, made a pocket for this, and just embellished it. And I also put that glitter glue on the flowers. And so now that holds this to the side, and this holds a journaling card on the top. Fold it over. This was part of, believe it or not, this was on top of the whole page was on top here, and this was in the bottom, but I cut the 2 elements out. What I did with this one, I just cut it out and used it as a top corner tuck. So this is what I did for my swap. I hope my partner enjoys it. I had a lot of fun making it, and I had a lot of fun using That's Just Penny's kit for this. So it will be for my swap partner in the journal page swap that I participated in, and it's also going to be part of my design team project for That's Just Penny for the month of July. So thank you so much for watching my channel. I will link the link to That's Just Penny's Etsy shop so that you can view the kit if you're interested in it. And I also will be putting in the tutorials that were shared with me to make the circle notebooks and the paper clips if you're interested. So check out the description box. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll get back to you. Have a great day and happy crafting. Bye.